Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking affiliate marketing and why it is one of the major ways to make some really good money online. The very first question is, why should you consider affiliate marketing and how you can approach this idea? With so much information out there and tips, there has to be a logical approach to making money from affiliate marketing. In today's video, I will tell you just that logic and path towards affiliate marketing. Influencer Marketing Hub estimated that in 2023 global spending on affiliate marketing will be $14.3 billion. Experts think that in 2024, it will increase to $15.7 billion. With this huge spending, there are a lot of opportunities for all of us to earn more money online. Forrester Consulting confirmed through a survey that affiliate marketing programs are very effective. Affiliate programs are used at every stage of customer journey. More than 80% of the companies surveyed ran affiliate program. Now I will give you some basics and then the 4 reasons to choose affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Let me put it in very simple terms for you. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy which is based on performance of affiliates. You can be an affiliate of a business and work to drive traffic to their portals or help in increasing sales. Now here are a few concepts that you need to understand. First, you will work for a business of any kind that wants to market its services or products. So, choose your business very carefully. I will shortly tell you about the top businesses in the line of affiliate marketing. Secondly, you will earn a commission on the sales you make for that particular business. Here, you will have to look out for the percentage of commission. Search for businesses that offer the highest percentage. This is a win-win situation for businesses and their affiliates. Businesses reach out to more potential customers and their customer base increases. And what do affiliates get? They earn money. While sitting at home, they earn passive income. So this could be you earning all the passive income by promoting other businesses. First reason: expanding market in the USA. Ever wondered about the size of affiliate marketing in the US? Statista reported that in 2022 affiliate marketing spending reached $8.95 billion. When you compare it with spending in 2017, it was $5.4 billion. This is almost 66% total growth over a period of 5 years. And most important of all, US tops all countries in spending on affiliate marketing. Here are some practical tips for entering this market. Identify your product or products. You will have to identify a sector and then select products. For example, food industry can be the sector and you can help sell cooking products or packed food. Here's something to help you with the selection of sectors. Influencer Marketing Hub reported that as an affiliate niche, retail sector has the highest revenue percentage of 44%. It is followed by telecom and media with a revenue percentage of 25%. Travel and leisure make up 16% of the revenue, and all other sectors have a combined share of 15%. Get affiliate links. Once you sign up for an affiliate program, you will receive affiliate URLs or tracking links. Customer will follow the link and the business will be able to track the affiliate through the unique link. There is something more for you from my side. Which are the largest affiliate networks? Just look up for these 5 largest networks: Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Awin, Rakuten, ClickBank. Make promotional efforts. Use your online platforms and marketing skills to promote the products. You can share links on social media, write reviews, create content, or run an advertisement campaign. Just see what best suits your expertise and serves you the best. This is all low cost. There is no high startup cost, but it does not mean that there is no cost at all. Some cost is there, but that is of your time. You will have to give it some time and then your passive income can start. Second reason: percentage of the sale or fixed amount per lead. You can earn your commissions in form of percentage of sale or get a fixed amount for generating leads. First, let's look at the options. First option is pay per sale. Your second option is pay per lead. Third option is pay per click. And fourth option is pay per install. The choice is yours. You need to make a selection of businesses according to your preference. If you want to earn higher commission, you need to go for percentage on sale or pay per install. But if you can settle for less commission, then a small amount on generating leads or other options will do for you. If I look at the benefits of the choices and the market conditions, I will advise you to go for percentage on sale. Most of the businesses offer this as affiliate program, but the percentage of sale varies from 20% to 70% on different products. Yes, you heard and saw it right. This much is the margin, and so great is the variance. It brings me to the initial point again that the choice is yours. But to make this choice, you will have to do a lot of research about companies and their affiliate programs. See where is the maximum benefit and what products can you market. Third reason, no customer support. As a marketer, you do not have to offer any customer support. This is something with which companies struggle a lot. Not just the manufacturing or services-based companies, but most of all the marketing and sales companies. They reach out to customers and then have to keep a communication channel open for the potential customers. You, on the other hand, need to do any such thing. You as a marketer can just earn your income passively with no dealing whatsoever with the customers. Your job finishes at conveying the message. This will change only when you decide to have a big company of your own. Till then, you can manage without any customer support service. And in case you ever need one, you can always outsource it. Fourth reason, set your own pace. I have come to my fourth and most important reason of all. That is, you can set your own pace while working as an affiliate marketer. First, you start with a very low cost, and starting this line of work is easy. Secondly, it is flexible as you don't have fixed working hours. You can determine your own working hours. You can diversify your work and select as many or as little businesses as you want. They can come from various sectors, and you need not to stick to a particular sector. Having said all these things, there is still something most important here. You can scale up the work and can earn more than before. This is remarkably different from other jobs you might have had. Here you improve skills and give it more time, and your income will increase. You can even start your own affiliate network. Conclusion. So these were the 4 reasons and the market condition. It's all about growth, and growth is yours to target. Give it some time, do your research, and start your passive income.